In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money with Sendwave, guiding you through the process of verifying your identity and completing a transfer step by step. Whether you're sending funds to a friend or a family member, this method is straightforward and easy to follow. So, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is to head over to the Sendwave platform. Once you're on the main page, look for the option that says Continue to Send. This will lead you into the initial setup of your transaction. It's good to have a clear idea of the amount you plan to transfer beforehand, as this can streamline the process for you. Next, it's time to input your personal information. This step is crucial as it sets up your account profile with Sendwave. You'll be asked to provide details such as your name, date of birth, and the purpose of your account, along with your billing address, zip code, city, and state. Be sure to double check all information for accuracy, as even a small mistake might cause delays later on. Once you've filled in all the required fields, simply click Finish. After completing your personal details, Sendwave will prompt you to choose the primary reason for your transfer. This could include sending money for family support, gifts, or business purposes. Selecting the correct reason helps ensure your transfer complies with policies and might offer some insights into potential fees or limitations. Moving on, you'll be asked to verify your identity. Click Continue to verify identity, which ensures secure transactions. Start by selecting your country and choosing a form of identification. This may be a driver's license, passport, or another government-issued ID. Once you've chosen your document type, hit Continue. You'll be directed to initiate the identity verification process. Click Start, and you'll be guided through providing the necessary information. Make sure your document is clear and readable, as this is crucial for successful verification. If you're satisfied with the uploaded document, click Done. Next, you'll need to proceed with facial verification. When you're ready, start recording. This simple step involves taking a short video of yourself to ensure that the person setting up the account matches the ID provided. This added layer of security is designed to protect both you and the recipient of your funds. After completing the facial verification, just click Continue to Send. You've now successfully set up your Sendwave account, verified your identity, and you're ready to transfer money to your desired recipient. Remember, Sendwave is designed to make international transfers affordable and easy, so don't hesitate to reach out to their support team if you encounter any issues along the way. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can confidently use Sendwave to send money anytime you need. Thank you for watching and happy transferring.